Welcome back from the break. Now, Chief Justice Gertrude Torkornoo has declined a petition of Special Prosecutor Cecilia Dapaah to have the judge handling the case involving former Sanitation Minister Cecilia Dapaah to recuse himself. The Special Prosecutor petitioned the Chief Justice, citing bias and unfairness if the charge Justice Edward Chum is made to continue with the cases involving the OSP and the Special Prosecutor himself. The court had to adjourn the case twice after a petition to the Chief Justice, but in a tweet, the OSP announced that the Chief CJ had declined its petition. So what are the implications in the cases pending before the court, considering the fact that there appears to be a strain in the relationship between the OSP and the judge handling the case? Richard Kwadwo of our legal desk joins us with details. Richard, was the Chief Justice's decision on the petition reviewed in court today?
Response to the petition was not made available in court. In fact, the case was not called at all. The OSP was not even present in court, but Madam Cecilia Dapaah, her husband, and her lawyers were in court, hoping that a response would have been had from the CJ by the time that we were in court. But the Chief Justice at the time we were in court had not responded. In fact, the lawyers went into the chambers of the judge and it was revealed that the CJ is yet to give a response to the petition filed by the OSP, and so they needed to wait a little while longer. As expected, disappointment was boldly written on their faces as they walked out of the precinct of the court. But just a few minutes after midday, the OSP tweeted that the Chief Justice had refused his petition, and I quote, "By a letter dated 25th October 2023, the Judicial Secretary informed the Special Prosecutor that the Chief Justice is unable to accede to the Office of the Special Prosecutor's request for His Lordship Justice Edward Chum to be recused and removed from all cases involving the OSP pending before him." And so that was a tweet by the Office of the Special Prosecutor.
When are we back in court and what is likely to happen?
Well, so Brace, we are back in court on the 8th of November, where it is expected that the two parties will be present to continue with the case. In fact, there are currently 3 applications before the court, but chief of the applications is the application for the confirmation of the freezing of the bank account and the seizure of the property by Madam Cecilia Dapaah. And so that is what we are hoping that the court will look at on the 8th of November.
Okay, grateful to you. Moving on to others.